Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for entrepreneurs who want their content marketing to convert content consumers into paying customers. If you've been posting content to the TikTok platform and you're wondering how you can see what it takes to make your content better so that you can get more conversions out of your organic content marketing, then let me explain what metrics can be measured on TikTok. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm telling you, there's data that you can get from TikTok that currently you're not going to get anywhere else, even if you're well versed in, say, Instagram's analytics. And you've got to start getting savvy in terms of your metrics, insights, and analytics because look, what you don't measure, you can't manage. And by knowing what you can measure, what it's telling you in real time, and what you can do to improve your stats and business conversions from there can really make all the difference in the world to succeeding as an entrepreneur on the TikTok platform. But wait. Before we go any further, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, if you haven't watched my recent video, TikTok, do you have to create videos in app? You should, because if you're making a mistake in terms of where you create your videos, how you edit them, the level of production value you're injecting into them, and so on, well, once you're done watching that recent video of mine, you'll come out on the other end being smarter for having done so. But while you're here and you're wondering specifically about what metrics can be measured on TikTok, let me explain. You need to go pro. You need a TikTok Pro or business-oriented account to get access to all of the analytics that you need. But this is no big deal. Switching from a personal account that you get by default to a business-oriented account is easy and free. Just go to the settings and privacy page and choose Manage My Account. Then tap Switch to Pro Account. Now that you've switched, you'll see all of those analytics in the Pro Account page of your settings section. Nice and easy, right? Now, let's move on to the 3 main analytics types. You'll get access to the 3 main types or categories of analytics that can help you, which give you the full profile overview of the channel, which is convenient for sure, and I'd always check those out and take note of them. But you'll also get an overview of your content's insights and your followers' insights. Your overall profile analytics will show you in summary form the total video views and profile views, as well as your follower count. For most every set of analytics on TikTok, really, you can check daily. That'll be per piece of content typically. And for most anything else, you can check out the analytics in 7-day slices or 28-day slices or samplings of time. With post-specific views, you can even learn what content of yours made the For You page within a given time period. So if you see that happening, you know right away to double down and make more of that type of content. When you're checking a specific post, you can see how many likes and comments it received, as well as total video shares, video views, playtime, traffic sources, and audience territories. The latter analytic or metric is showing you whether you're attracting an audience from a given country, and that may or may not be important given your business model and the makeup of your ideal customer avatar, but everything else should matter. You want to see where you're getting traffic from. You need to know what videos are being played and viewed multiple times. You want to see what videos are so successful with your audience that they're being shared. Anytime you see good data like this, it should inform the new content you're going to make in the coming days, several weeks. This is only scratching the surface, though, in terms of what metrics can be measured on TikTok, because there's VIP metrics. To me, after all of this, the VIP, or very important metrics to me, have to do with the fine-grained information you get about your followers. You can see the gender of your audience and the location breakdown of your specific followers, where they're looking from. That may or may not be matching the overall profile audience and territories in a geographic sense. I'd see if there's a difference between your followers and where they hail from versus people who aren't following you and where they come from. Or, when they're consuming, where they're consuming your content. Because maybe this data matters to you, maybe it doesn't. But look and see what the pattern is and what it might tell you. But the gender of your followers can be important. If you're getting more of one sex to follow your account than another, right? But if your ideal customer avatar doesn't match the sex of who is following you, then you know that there may be a huge mismatch in terms of your messaging. You'll have to adjust your content accordingly. After all, you're an entrepreneur very likely watching this, not someone using TikTok for personal reasons. So getting to that sale sooner or later is important. And if you're barking up the wrong ideal customer avatar tree, you're wasting your time with organic content marketing on TikTok. Am I right? You'll also see in the followers section of your metrics or analytics when they're most active on the platform. Because if you're not publishing around that time, then you're likely missing out on a lot more views and a lot more engagement, which would be a shame. The more views and engagement you get, the more the TikTok algorithm will keep putting you on the For You page of other users who aren't followers yet, but very likely, given their behavior on the platform, should be. But I can't leave the topic of what metrics can be measured on TikTok without sharing with you all about the secret sauce. The bottom part of the analytics section for your followers will share with you the videos that your followers are currently watching, as well as the sounds that they're listening to. It's like you've been given the cheat sheet to their TikTok universe. You're getting inside their heads with this information, because then you can make more content like the content that's already working for them in terms of themes, music, and sounds. It's the unfair advantage that currently I'm not seeing in the metrics, analytics, or insights that you can get on other social media dashboards. And it's one of the many reasons why, from an entrepreneur's perspective, you can more easily strike gold in terms of your organic content marketing on TikTok. Get more attention from more of your niche and get them to know, like, and trust your brand and its offerings, all the more while you stay top of mind, because that's really a well-trod path to travel to get more of the business conversions you need for your entrepreneurial venture to succeed. There you have it. This is my answer when it comes to answering the question of what metrics can be measured on TikTok. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.